Do. The fruit flavored ice cream box. Actually, I have seen this a lot recently, and it totally got my attention because it looks just like the mini Oreo box. And it says mixed fruit flavor. So today, let's give it a try. What we have, all fruit shaped little ones. Mango, peach. What else we have? Grape, and of course, strawberry. Strawberry first. It's really crispy. The crunch outside is the chocolate shell. The strawberry milk is actually very creamy and fresh. I would say 8 out of 10. It's delicious. First, I need to tell you guys, the grape aroma is hitting me now. It smells really good. Again, the milk inside is rich and smooth, but not icy at all. It deserves 8 out of 10. It's not bad. Mango. Oh my god, this one tastes really authentic. It's just feeling you're biting the real frozen mango. It has to be 9 out of 10. I mean, who can say no to such adorable ice pop? So I save peach to the last because I have a very high expectation for it. So let's see it's a good or the best. Look at the butt. It's so cute. I really like the crunchy chocolate shell. The cream is not heavy, and the peach flavor is light and fruity. I should say the sweetness is just right. So it is my favorite so far. I'm definitely gonna give 10 out of 10. And I should say all these 4 flavors is not over sweet.